Now we have added some of the new features into the build control. So just go to the Play Store or the App Store and download the new build control app. And now I will going to explain you one by one all the features that are added into the system. Now you can add the multiple organization on your same mobile number. So you just have to click on this switch organization and click on this add organization. So now you can create your own other company, like other GST number and all the other name of that company and each thing. Just keep in mind, like, that company will act as another account into our system, and the same subscription plan will going to apply onto that also, so you have to pay for that. Now I'm going to the specific project. If Now we have added the new design of the payments module with only the three sections, like transactions, parties and petty cash. In parties you will going to find all the sub modules like contractors payment, suppliers payment, other party. So it is now enhanced. And for the specific payment management module, I will create one another video, and in that video I will explain you into the brief. So this payment module is now changed into the projects also. We have added one new feature to download the purchase request as a PDF to share that with the suppliers or any other persons. So for that, you have to go to this purchase request module, and you have to approve the purchase request before downloading the PDF. So I'm just going to the specific purchase request which is already ordered, so I can also download that PDF from here. So you can also share this PDF with your supplier or someone as an indent. Okay, so this is the new feature. Now we have added one another column, like in reports. In department wise work report, we have added one other column as a remark. Like in daily worksheet, if you have added some remarks for the work, then that remarks will going to be seen into this report. This all the data will going to be exported into the PDF and Excels also, though. So it is better for you to visualize like which kind of work was happening at the site into the kind of a Excel format. So this is the new feature. And we have also added one new module of a central reports. Right now we have added three type of reports, like central purchase order report. In this report you will get all the projects POs at a one report, so you can get all the data. Central equipment report and material received report will also be covered into this central report. In specific project and in a booking module, we have added the search bar for searching the party who have booked the unit. Also we have added the new feature into the gallery as a search the images with their name, search image or the PDF with their name. In task module, we have also added one new feature of calculating the total material consumption of a child, and showing that total material consumption into their parent also. So for that you have to goes to this all tab and check this phase 1. This phase 1 is containing a two subtasks as a designing and the planning. So if I add some material consumption in this designing task at the time of making the updates, then it will be visible into its parent task as this phase 1. See, in this phase 1 I have find out like these two materials are consumed in this much of a quantity into their child. So this is how you will get to know like exactly how much of a material is used into the specific unit, or you can find out all the data according to your planning. Okay, so this is the new update into the task module. We have added also a new feature of adding the start reading and the end reading of the equipment usage. So for that, goes to the equipment usage, click on the add new, and here you will find the reading start from. Like you can now add the reading from your equipment. Like if it is a JCB or Hitachi, then you have some readings like 15,004. So it will going to calculate the total working hours. The decimal will going to be reduced in the next update. You can also add the breakdown hours into the system, so that you can analyze like how many of the hours this equipment is getting into the breakdowns, so you can analyze into the report. So this is also the new feature into the build control application. We have also added one another settings into the progress report for managing the images into the one row into that report. So if you reduce the images, like if I want only the two images into the one row into the PDF reports, so that I can manage that from this screen. So as soon as if I click set the two images here, and if I fill up the data for the 15 days, so I need a report for of a 15 days with a two images into the one row. I hope I have the images. Yeah, so this is how the images will going to be look like. So you will get the two images into the one row wherever the images are available. Okay, so this is also the new updated feature into the build control app, so you can just explore that. Another new update is in inquiry report, like in reports, whenever you goes to the inquiry report, you will find the last three follow-ups added by into the any of the inquiries. So you can find out all the follow-up history for specific leads. So maybe it will be useful for you all for managing your CRM management with our application. So this is the latest update provided by the build control team. So thank you for your valuable time and keep using build control. Thank you.